with this घन घोर गम पनि सा नि प ग नि ग सा घन घोर युद्ध उद्भवले घन घोर युद्ध उद्भवले घन घोर युद्ध उद्भवले, something like that, you know. And it was like a
Stamp. Now you can't say I don't sing.
I did not get a reference, so I just wanted to show you what his approach was. And then one after the other, you
Just
could see.
wish to ask you here, how much you know? Like he knew these many languages. Like he knew Urdu also quite well.
He was quite fluent in Urdu. He used to
And
write
even old Marathi?
He had learned, yes,
Jnaneshwar College.
yes, of course. Marathi, of
That's
course.
because of Kirtan Parampara in their own
Yeah,
family.
he studied a lot of languages.
Sanskrit.
In fact, English
Sanskrit,
also,
yeah.
if you ask English, I mean, the way he used to study English, that was something. Like I could never read an English newspaper just sitting before him. He would make us read newspapers, Marathi, Hindi and English. And it was impossible because he used to say, hey, how dare you say that you are, you learned in English medium schools. It's not, because he had a very, very
And there are
good
quite
knowledge
many
and-
cluster of notes that if any person now sings on the television, when I listen to it, I said, Daddy, this particular thing I think is typical of Abhishek Bua.
That's right. So he has an
That
identity in his composition.
kind of thumri baz that we say.
Exactly. So he has that subtle
But
approach
it
to
comes very
notes.
easily. It's a good blend. It will not be out of nowhere it comes.
Correct. Abhishek ji, what he had done was he always felt that he had a very husky voice, which many people would not relate to, the lay listeners. But he always felt that Western musicians had used any kind of voice they wanted in a particular way.
Would he talk about the hardships he faced while learning
Of course,
music?
this was one of the hardships.
Okay.
Because
he had lost his voice and gained
it
again.
was not losing his voice. Yes,
Maybe
of course,
cracked or something.
he had lost his voice for some time because of major typhoid that he had. But all the same, he had experimented a lot with his
And
voice.
there are a lot of people who say Abhishek Bua means Abhishek Bua. You don't sing this song. I can't listen to this
That
one
was
from you.
because he had enhanced the expressive quality of his voice. Because he never bothered he was not bothered about his weaknesses.
Mhm.
He wanted to make his strong points stronger.
Mhm.
And that is what he did. The expressive quality that was there in his voice, that he tried to enhance. And then he had a vast reach. In fact, you can see the fan and following that he has even now.
And he had a very good understanding of poetry, I think.
Exactly. Sahitya was one of the things.
All of the poets, even from Goa, outside Goa, in Maharashtra, I don't know if he must have tuned even languages like Kannada and others.
Konkani
maybe.
he has done, and Bengali also.
Bengali also. What about other dialects, Braj or whatever?
He must have done
Bandishes
a lot.
he must have.
Since he had a very experimental nature, he
Like
must have.
Ramcharitmanas or anything.
He must have tried
He
a lot
must
of
have
things.
tried.
Swati Tirunal's
Okay.
Kurtis he had tried. So a lot of things. But in fact, the association that we had about 10 years
Mhm.
was hardly enough to know what he had experimented in life. So even now I get to discover so many things that he was a very good writer also.
Mhm.
So many facets to his life. And
So
coming
then you
back-
were talking about the vase every musician has given you.
Yeah, exactly.
What about some
I don't
awards
say-
you want to mention?
I don't want to.
Felicitations.
I don't want to mention about only the vase. I have been criticized also by these musicians or suggested,
Mhm.
which is a big thing for me. You know, just for people of that stature
Uh-huh.
to say that could you play like this?
Uh-huh.
It's a big thing for me.
Okay.
So it's not the vase that I care for, but their approach towards my sensitivity.
Mhm.
That is most important for me.
Mhm.
To my sensitivity and my understanding of music, the acceptance they had for that, and the feeling that they had for
Mhm.
me,
Mhm.
and that is what is more important. So I don't much care for the vase because I know where I stand.
Do
even
you
now.
think there are a couple of musicians maybe you would love to play a number of times for them, but maybe you played some times for them? Not those who live,
It
maybe
has-
some more.
Yeah,
those
of
who
course.
are not living.
There are so many people. I don't want to mention names.
Or some
because-
people like Amir Khan sahab or others, you must have thought, I wish I
Of
had
course.
played. I
Of
really
course.
want to mention this.
In fact, to be honest, some of the musicians who I wanted to play with, I dreamt of, I never dreamt of playing with them, in fact.
Okay.
Or maybe I have dreamt of playing with them. Or maybe I have imagined a scene in which I am accompanying them on the harmonium. For example, Pandit Bhimsen Joshi.
Mm-hmm.
And it actually happened.
But these were like later ones.
Yeah.
People who
I don't know, I've never really thought of,
someone you
thought
have
that I would have accompanied Amir Khan Sahab. But all the same, I am always inspired by his music.
Or
Amir
did you
Khan
feel
Sahab
that you
was
should have
pretty
been born few decades before?
No,
and
I never
nothing
regret or never feel that I should have been different. But because whatever this life
So
has
now
given
you're
me,
going to mention the medals that are
yeah.
placed here and
So
there.
as you said, this life has given me more than what I deserve.
And some of the festivals also.
Yes. The best part, that the recognition or award that we get, that any kalakar or any artist gets, is the love from the audiences. And that I feel is more than anything else. The blessing from virtuosos and our gurus. More than that, I think there is no award. But of course, as a recognition, the first award that I got was from the Music Forum under the aegis of ITC SRE, and that was Sangat Khan Puraskar. So I was happy that I was given acknowledgement as an accompanying
Dr.
musician.
Ranade was very
Yeah, I could see Dr. Ranade, Shubhaji, Anish, Pandit Suresh Taralkar, Ullah Bhapat, a lot of people, while I was receiving this award from Pandit Shiv Kumar at the hands of Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma, it was a big, great moment for me. But again, I never really relished that moment. I felt this
But
is...
then I just want you to mention the awards one
Yeah,
after
after that...
like a list.
one was through our community. That was the Saraswat Puraskar. That was the Saraswat Yuva Puraskar, which was given in Bangalore, and where I was invited to play a solo. After that, I got the Pandit Govindrao Tembe Sandatkar Puraskar. Then Swara Laya Ratna, which was which was dedicated to the memory of Pandit Appa Sahib
Maintaining a diary
Jardapkar.
helps.
Yeah, but there are not many accolades, so I can just mention these 4 awards.
Everyone tells me that Sudhir maintains a diary. Each and every concert, every page is filled.
I used to be
properly.
religiously doing it, now not
And
now.
he carries a
not now.
pouch which has a sui dhaga and needle thread and scissors.
You know a
and
lot
this and
about
that.
these things, but honestly, I don't carry. There
So
used
I
to be a
want the
time.
interview to be interesting.
There was coming back to the subject because you just raised this thing. I used to carry a pouch wherein I used to have everything that an artist
Maybe
would,
this
would be
I
needing.
remember about 97, 98, 99, 2000. Like exactly like that camera pouch. It was something and it had everything.
But it had everything from a pin to a play. It was like a mini department store,
Okay.
but only for musicians. I mean, I used to carry strings, Tanpura strings, right from C to B.
And if you have to tune a
Swar
harmonium
mandal.
also everything.
Yes, of course, my tuning file. Then one kurta and pajama set.
So if anyone had to rob you of something, that was the best thing.
And that is what happened, which is why I stopped doing it, because I lost some of my data, which were really important to me.
So then you have finished with 4 awards.
4 awards, that's all.
Okay, so when did the most important award come in your life, the Haseen Mode?
That was in 2002. And,
I thought you would mention.
That is certainly an award, because the way Bharti, my wife, looks after me. In fact, my parents have really pampered me a lot. Even though you know how artists are, I mean, they can be so idiosyncratic. But I'm not that much, but still I had my own
What I
ambitions.
know her is she's very pretty, she's very
She
affectionate.
is pretty and yes, you
and
can't
very,
be wrong.
yeah.
And it shows.
Very sweet.
Yeah, she is sweet and she has been sweet
And
too.
I think if there is no compere present, she fits in quickly.
Of course.
She'll do everything.
She is very talented.
Whichever role is like thrust on her, she will be the.
She is extremely talented. Only thing is we have to bribe her to do that. That's a difficult thing. But on
And
the
she
same,
gets along with everyone.
Yeah, that's true. And that's the best part. I mean, certainly she can bear me. If she can bear me, certainly she can do a lot because I can be very very nasty at times. Not in any other term, but you know, like I have my own ambitions, and I don't like anyone coming as a hurdle to you know.
Oh, I just skipped one
Fulfilling
question,
that,
I think.
yeah.
The number of instruments that slowly became an addition. So
That-
from your one fine day you had 2 harmoniums, and how did it become 3 and 4 and 5? How many harmoniums one must
That
have?
is one thing, one question that you cannot ask when my family members are that, because there was a time when I was about to leave my home. I mean, they even still now, if I bring one extra instrument at home, then I'll be the one to go leave home because they never. I mean, this
Yeah,
is
because it
apart
takes a
from-
lot of space.
Apart from
So
Joe,
tanpuras and tablas, how many
Yeah.
might be? I mean, some of them may be deposited at your brother's home also.
in
I
fact,
think
I
so.
have distributed all my new instruments to my students.
And they can
So-
get them.
Yeah,
and
of
even
course. I
maintain.
buy them and then give
And
it
so
to
when
them.
you need, one of,
Of
them
course,
can just
of
get it.
course.
So it could be that you have about 25 harmoniums.
Yeah, almost.
So that was a correct guess.
Yeah.
What about
Almost.
tanpuras?
Around 4 to 5.
Do you have a
tanpuras.
Hemraj tanpura?
No, not really. But I've been
It's very expensive now.
I've been offered 4 Hemraj Tanpuras. The problem is now where to keep it.
No, but are they expensive?
Yeah, they are slightly expensive than the real Tanpura. Hemraj was an instrument maker. Who was really very good at his work and had a very different design for the Tanpura. He would not actually embellish the whole Tanpura as you see in other Tanpuras. It was a very simple design that he had with the leaves structured on the on tumba.
You
And-
can gift one Hemraj to Bharti. She will look beautiful. Beautiful instrument with a beautiful name.
Possible. I mean,
And then you were going to elaborate
I've
about
already
the
gifted
Haseen
her.
mode.
I've already gifted her a Tanpura, but she.
But you have to be a little elaborate about this.
Oh come on, that's something.
Like she started, she also sings.
Yeah, she sings, and I dance to her tunes.
and there is a small, you call her Bal Bharti. You have to talk
I
about the
don't
second
call.
Haseen
I
mode.
won't dare to do that. Yeah. But certainly, my lovely daughter Maitri brought a different aspect in my life. She is so
She's
adorable.
learning to dance also.
She is very passionate about dancing. She is learning the Bharatanatyam, and she's got a very good ear for music
Sometimes
also.
people say you, your mom and your daughter are like triplets. Because
Possible,
you
I
both, all three of you look alike.
Possible. I don't much think about those things, you know, but I feel we should do something which would be good for the society.
And she's
Musically-
inclined to music or dance or vocals, what? Does she love to play the
She
harmonium?
is inclination for a lot of things, but it's too early to gauge now what she would take up.
Or just be after her like.
Yeah, that's right. So we are not, Bharti and I, we are not forcing her into doing something. Right now we are just observing. We want her to be an observer, that is for sure. And one good quality that she has is that she can listen to a concert for 3 hours without getting agitated at all. So that's the biggest quality. If you are a good listener, if you are a good observer, then certainly you will be a good artist at some point of the time.
So, talking about 20 years from now, what do you see Sudhir Naik is doing or whatever he has achieved?
I really don't think much about my future. I only try to do.
Then you can maybe associate it with Kalapost.
Yes, Kalapost is one project that has been very close to my heart. In fact, it's a global music and arts village that's coming up. That's undergoing a lot of development. In fact, many of the artists have invested in the village. It was my dream to get artists and musicians together. Artists from different walks of life. Artists in every way. So, in fact, I would say people who paint, painters, literature people, people from the field of sculpture, music, any kind of art form they are involved in, Yakshagana. So we want all these people to come under one roof and then interact, discuss, exchange their skills, and make it popular amongst the masses.
And I'm going to take a separate cut of that, and it will be an audio cut.
Sure.
So here I wish to thank you
Thanks a lot.
for the time you gave and the lovely interview and the
Pleasure.
funny things also in the interview. And I wish to take a separate interview which should only have the funny things.
Anytime.
So on behalf of Dronacharya IAS Academy and Drona Star, which is a sister concern of this academy, and the cultural wing, you can say it's the cultural wing, and I really wish to thank you on behalf of the entire team for the time you gave us.
Thanks
And
a lot.
you also played an important role in making it interesting rather
Thanks a
than
lot.
very
I think your
serious.
questions really made it up.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you for inviting
Yeah,
me.
yeah.
तू खबर असते डन करू नये